Good morning. Last lecture started with the third nutrients, that is proteins. So the proteins are defined as the complex organic nitrogenous compound consisting of various amino acids joined together by peptide linkage. So all proteins contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogens. Sometimes the protein is also consisting of sulfur, phosphorus, iron or coppers. So the protein is the only nutrients that contains the nitrogen in its structure. In proteins, the nitrogen contains is about 16% about in the proteins. Then the average compositions of proteins, that the proteins is consist of the various amino acids. So the amino acids are also called as the building blocks of proteins. The amino acids are chemical compounds which contains both in acidic carboxyl and basic amino groups in its structure. So the proteins are composed of the various amino acids. The various amino acids that forms the proteins are of two types. Last lecture discussed about the which type? Types is the two. The first is the essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. So the essential amino acids, these amino acids are not synthesized in the body in adequate amounts. Therefore, these should be supplied through the diets. So in about the physiologically, about the 20 amino acids are essential. So these are also called as the indispensable amino acids. And second is the non-essential amino acids. The non-essential amino acids, these are synthesized in the body in adequate amounts. Therefore, it should not be required or supplied through the diet. So these non-essential amino acids is also known as the dispensable amino acids. Now let us about the classification of proteins. Classifications of proteins. So the proteins are commonly classified into the three groups. The first is simple protein. Second, it is the conjugated proteins. And third, it is the derived proteins. So proteins is commonly classified into three. First is the simple protein, second is the conjugative proteins, and third it is the derived proteins. So it is the first is the simple proteins. So the simple proteins yields, these the simple proteins yields only amino acids. Simple proteins yields only amino acids or their derivatives upon hydrolysis. These are called as the simple proteins. This only eats the amino acids or their derivatives upon hydrolysis. These are also the simple protein. The example of the simple proteins is the albumins and the globulins. So these are the simple proteins. These eat only the amino acids. These are the example of the simple proteins. Then is the second is the conjugated proteins. So these conjugative proteins consist of simple proteins. These conjugative proteins consist of simple proteins. These are combined with the non-protein radicals. They combine with the non-protein radicals, that is there is the prosthetic groups. So these are called as the conjugative proteins. These are consist of the simple proteins combined with the non-protein radicals, that is the prosthetic groups. So the example of the conjugative proteins is the example glycoproteins, then lipoproteins, pleoproteins, glycoproteins, lipoproteins, pleoproteins, nucleoproteins. So these are the example of the conjugative proteins. These consist of the simple proteins combined with non-protein radicals, that is the prosthetic groups, is called as the conjugative protein. This is the example glycoproteins, lipoproteins, pleoproteins, nucleoproteins, the phosphoproteins. These are the example of the conjugative proteins. And the third is the end protein, that is the derived proteins. So the derived proteins, these are the breakdown products. These are the breakdown products of naturally occurring proteins. So the derived proteins is the breakdown products of naturally occurring proteins. These are called as the derived proteins. These are the example of the derived proteins are the protease, peptones and peptides. So these are the example of the derived proteins. So these are the breakdown products of the naturally occurring proteins. So these are the classification of proteins. So these are proteins. So these are the amino acids and the classifications of proteins. Next lecture is about the functions of proteins. Thank you.